What are you doing?
Oh, she left. Elvis has left the building.
No one comes to star.
There you go.
No, it's gonna be a fight, a little showdown. You know,
Oh, Callie's gone. Where'd she go?
Oh, where's Callie? It's his mom. What is that?
Straight.
What's this? Just something on the cup?
Dad, you're in the film.
So what shall I do today? No.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
Oh! Yeah, there we go. This is gonna be one of those. Wow, the things people can do.
I know.
Wow, Nina, it's okay. No. Nicole, don't you want to be in the video now?
Ooh, yeah, of course. No, I'm afraid Serena's gonna hit me.
But it's abusive love. Don't you want to be loved? Even without being on the video, Nicole, she's gonna hate you.
You know, people are gonna see this, Nina, and they're gonna think you're some demon child.
She's gonna see this 10 years in the future. They're gonna be like, it's like, I didn't.
I swear I didn't.
I'm gonna say
It's not me, I swear.
I'm gonna say, oh, now I didn't.
Yeah, until I show you the video, and then you.
Proof, Nina, it's proof. You can't deny proof.
You know what? 10 years from now is when I am my age. It's gonna be 14 in 10 years.
Jesus! Yeah, you know what? What kind of punishment coming? Okay. Okay, well.